rooted in the arms of NTPC Vindhyanagar, Delhi Public School, since its inception brought tides.
With its exclusive rulebook, it personified its vision and made missions. Then the road, well chosen, it walked upon. Wisely, it handled the pits to move further.
Its perception it widened to embrace the new springs.
Duties and rights, it blended both to induct an eye that could see beyond the fence. Administrative block.
Where do's and don'ts get documented.
Gardens that expands to ensure green fields, wide to invite feet. Basketball court difficult for everyone to resist.
Morning assemblies own a large and grand space, where we pray to get Almighty's blessings and grace.
Namaskar. At the outset, I must congratulate the DPS Vindhyanagar for celebrating the 36th foundation. The school was established with an aim to cater to the requirement of NTPC wards at that point of time, but the school has done far than that. They have not only catered to the requirement of our own wards, but the children of the project affected persons as well as the children of neighboring society. The school has come up as one of the best school in Madhya Pradesh, and this is one of the major attraction of our employees to get transferred to this place, as they all wanted to get their children education in DPS Vindhyanagar. I must congratulate Principal Sir, his team, for providing a selfless service and developing future citizens of India. The alumni is also very strong. They have civil servants, they have technocrats even across the globe, and also international players. The best example is Miss Nusrat Parveen, who is a wicketkeeper of T20 India, and she is representing from Singrauli district. And while interacting with all these alumni, whenever I get chance, they all praise their school for their overall development, not only in education but a complete personality development of a child who enters from very initial LKG or UKG classes and completes 12th. I wish DPS Vindhyanagar a very great and grand success in all their future endeavors.
Happy Annual Come Foundation Day. Let's welcome the captain of the crew, our Honorable Principal Sir Dr. Janardhan Pandey, and our erudite teachers. Let's welcome him with music and flowers to make it grand. of the Lamb, an auspicious moment to invite all the divine vibes.
Praying God transits us through stronger bastion. So here is Vandana to seek God's blessing.
ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं सरस्वत्यै नमः।
Perception, perseverance, and will to dream big and to achieve it makes a leader a truly dynamic one.
Blessed we are to have such. Let's witness his message.
Most respected Honorable Chairman Shri Bhikkhu Shamulu Sir, Chairman DPS Society, Chairman DPS Vindnagar Shri Ravi Veera Gupta Sir, ED Vindhyachala and Pro Vice Chairman of DPS Vindnagar Shri Munish Johri Sir, PTA Secretary Shri Shiraj Ahmed, all my teachers, parents and lovely students. Today we are celebrating 36th Foundation Day of our school. The journey began long back in 1986. We are indebted to all the chairmen and the founder chairman, Sri R.S. Logani sir. Subsequently, it was taken care by many people, those who have been there, the previous principals, the previous chairmen, the previous pro vice chairmen. We remember each one of them, because today, if DPS Vindnagar is doing well because it was nurtured well, it was taken care well by the previous people. So we remember you all and convey our sincere hearty thanks to each one of you for having contributed to the best possible to groom this institution. With a very heavy heart, we remember our previous chairman, Professor B.P. Khandelwal sir, whom we lost during this pandemic. And just after 4 days of gap, we lost Mr. Saran, our headmaster, Mr. Saran. So this was the big pain that Corona has, given us. We offer our tribute to them. We pay our condolence to both of them, and at the same time we lost one daughter of Sri Insen Upadhyay, our biology teacher. She was a pass out of this school, 21 years of age. So this was very difficult for us. So we pay our tribute to all these three people. We remember them on this day. Yesterday only class 10th result has come up, and on 28th class 12th result was there. The results are fabulous, very good. I congratulate to all the students, their parents. The teachers were working very hard, taking care of every child individually, even during this, the most difficult time of Corona. I greet each one of the stakeholder of DPS Vindnagar. We welcome you with open heart on its 36th Foundation Day of DPS Vindnagar. The complete progress of the school will be presented through a PowerPoint presentation. Every aspect of the school, how much progress we have made so far, it would be reflected through the various presentations of the school. Once again, I greet you all, I welcome you all, and I thank you all for marching ahead with DPS Vindnagar and supporting the school. Once again, I thank our Honorable Chairman, Society and Chairman DPS Vindnagar and Pro Vice Chairman DPS Vindnagar for standing by, for guiding us, for taking the utmost care of the school. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.
Sir, thank you for your precious words. They are guiding stars to us. Here we have the glimpses of the interview with Principal Sir.
It's a really proud moment for both of us to interview you today. So what is your guiding principle in making swift decisions? It is seen you are very decisive, prompt and correct in decision making. How do you manage it?
I tell you. I keep the child in the center of everything. All my decisions are based on children. Children-centric decisions are taken in this school. But at the same time, I make it sure that the child should not get the right privileges, wrong privileges. Right? Being child-centric doesn't mean that I'll be doing something, out of the way for the children. But my first priority is the child. So when I keep the child in mind, and then I think that child is my son and my daughter, then I'm never wrong. So that has been the philosophy of taking decisions. And at times, I am very strict, there's no doubt about it. Very strict in the sense that I know if you are committing a small mistake tomorrow, as it is rightly said, nip in the bud. A small mistake you are doing it, and I have to behave in such a way so that it is, there's no scope that it would be taking place tomorrow again, ever in the life. So decisions are, and then I used to consult my teachers. I never take any of my decision on my own. I have the decision in mind, but I seek the opinion, and that also helps me many times because there is something at times I am likely to miss. So it's a collective decision, whatever the decision is taken. So that is how the decisions are taken.
As a principal, since joining the school, you must have faced a lot of challenges. So, sir, what was your philosophy towards overcoming said challenges? and leading our school to higher peaks.
I am thankful to DPS Society, my Honorable ex-chairman Professor B.P. Khamelo, who has been my chairman from last 17 years till the month of May. Recently we lost him because of COVID only. And I'm thankful to my local management of NTPC Vidyachal, who has been of great support. Whatever the problems I have been coming across, I used to solve it to the extent it is possible. And if I see that there are few things where I need the blessings and the advices of my seniors, so the moment I have been approaching either to my chairman or the head of the NTPC or the HR department, the people have been standing by the school. So I did not face much of the problem ever.
The Q&A session affirms students bond with the head of the institution and school as well. Now, Sriyambika Di has something special.
I think everybody would love to get to know about the faculty of DPS Vindhyanagar. So, here we go.
Here we meet the teachers who teach us how to walk, how to talk, and how to write. An incredible department. Hats off to it. Let's witness the department of articulation, fluency, modulations, where verse and prose go hand in hand. English department. Do you want to juggle it with numbers and want to develop your rational quotient? Meet the mathematical genius. Here comes Department of Mathematics. National language, a pride for every national. Grow with pride for Hindi language. You'd love to see the facilitators, Hindi department. Get to know the wonders of the world through the eye of physics. Make history your cup of tea. Get to know everything from the Department of Chemistry. Garner your interests in life support systems. Here's Biology Department to groom you. Not to know any corner of the globe with a wand of social science. Here we have Department of Social Studies. Make money with the master keys of commerce and affirm yourself financially. The most recognized, the most commendable language of the day, Sanskrit. Let's meet this rich department. Stay fit and fine. Tips are ever ready with the Department of Physical Education. Adding new meanings to technology, Department of Computer Science always take extra miles. EVS, providing insights from sciences. Truly said, music is soul of life. Here's Music Department to draw us in love with it. Coordinate your eye, brain and hand and enjoy the strokes of art and drawing. Let's meet the Department of Art. Librarian, a guide, a Sherpa and a teacher. Snippets of office staff who keep facts in files very meticulously.
Annual School Magazine, such a strong stimuli to trigger the imagination of students throughout the year. What they pen down gets into the magazine. So here we have the release of Annual E-Magazine.
cultural programs.
Presenting the cultural symphony and set the note of the day.
You know, magical memories?
Oh, it will definitely transit me in a nostalgic lane.
The best view comes after the hardest climb. Today, I, Araf Prakash of Class 2B, welcome you all on this Foundation Day celebration. Let's begin with a positive note. As for every dark night, there is a brighter day. So we always get the opportunity to do something extraordinary. Since we head out of this pandemic, we can change the world. Create a world of love. A world where we are kind to each other. Let love and kindness be our roadmap. Let's begin with a new you.
चेहरा बदल कर आई है, मानारा काली है, भयावा है, गहराई है। लोग दरवाजों पे, रास्तों पे रुके बैठे हैं, कई घबराए हैं, सहमे हैं, छुपे बैठे हैं। मगर यकीन रख, यह बस लम्हा है, 2 पल में बिखर जाएगा। जिंदा रहने का ये जो जज्बा है, फिर असर आएगा। मुश्किल बहुत है, मगर वक्त जो है गुजर जाएगा। ये तो कहर है जो दुनिया को डराने आया, मगर ना समझ है जो इंसान को हराने आया। इतिहास गवाह है, ये मसला भी सुलझ जाएगा। फिर होगा अंधेरा दूर और दूर आ ही जाएगा।
भोराई गया आंधियारा, भोराई गया आंधियारा, सारे जग में हुआ उजियारा। नाचे झूमे ये मन मत भरा, भोराई गया आंधियारा, गया आंधियारा, गया आंधियारा। भोराई गया आंधियारा, भोराई गया आंधियारा, सारे जग में हुआ उजियारा। नाचे झूमे ये मन मत भरा।
धरती भी झूमे, बगिया भी झूमे, धरती भी झूमे, बगिया भी झूमे, भंवरा मचल के कलियों को झूमे, भंवरा मचल के कलियों को झूमे। नन्ही किरण मुस्कान, लागे नीला गगन बड़ा 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 नारा।
भोराई गया आंधियारा, भोराई गया आंधियारा।
सचमुच अब धीरे धीरे संकट के बादल छटने लगे हैं, क्योंकि अंधियारी रात बीत गई है। और हम सब जानते हैं कि हमारे भारत देश बहुत कम समय में टीका ढूंढने में सफल हो सका है। इसका पूरा श्रेय हमारे भारतीय वैज्ञानिकों की लगन, मेहनत, निष्ठा एवं ज्ञान को जाता है। इसलिए हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए कि बहुत जरूरी होता ज्ञान, सारे अपूर्ण होता ज्ञान। चाहे जितना पढ़ ले हम, कभी न पूरा होता ज्ञान। कर्तव्यों का बोध कराता अधिकारों का ज्ञान।
So let us see how the little light of knowledge can be spread by joining our hands and making this great nation of us reach the new height of development. So presenting for you, Gyan Ki Roshni.
Dana dum dana dum dana dum dana dum dana dum dana dum dana dum.
हमें लिखना है पढ़ना है आगे ही बढ़ना है खाते हैं हम ये कसम.
Dana dum dana dum dana dum dana dum dana dum dana dum dana dum.
जो ज्ञान का रास्ता है शिक्षा का रास्ता है उसी पे चलेंगे हम.
सत्य क्या है ये सुनो अपने मन में जान लो. ज्ञान की जो रोशनी है उसमें ही तो जिंदगी है.
पाओ शिक्षा पाओ भोजन स्वस्थ मन हो स्वस्थ जीवन.
वो जो शिक्षा पा गया है वो ही आगे आ गया है.
पाओ शिक्षा पाओ भोजन स्वस्थ मन हो स्वस्थ जीवन.
ज्ञान की इस रोशनी को जलाते हुए हमें ये याद रखना है कि कोरोना संक्रमण की 2 लहरों की मार देश झेल चुका है और अभी तीसरी लहर आने की आशंका है. इसलिए सावधान एवं सचेत भी रहना है. विकास का पहिया अपने पथ पर अग्रसर है. अब समय आ गया है कि हम अपने कर्तव्यों में जुट जाएं और देश की प्रगति के पहिए को आगे की ओर बढ़ाने में मददगार हों.
ज्ञान की जो रोशनी है उसमें ही तो जिंदगी है.
It was too awesome. Entirely my treasure moments. Now, let's move to the pulse of the school. That is academics.
Here's a pail from the ocean of achievements backed by the dip sites of Vindhyanagar, which also showcases how DPS Vindhyanagar ascended the graph of success since its inception.
Now, let us look at the students who have brought the school great glory in the class 12 board examinations. Breaking school's all previous records, Aditya Trivedi of the science stream has achieved a phenomenal top score of 98%. And Shrishti Agarwal has scored a remarkable 95.2% in the commerce stream. In total, 37 students out of 152 have scored a whopping 90% and above in the class 12 board examinations. It was their perseverance and persistent efforts in classes 10th, 11th and 12th that has amounted to this huge success in the class 12th board examinations. It is time to recognize the consistency of these dedicated learners. Bringing laurels to the school are 3 outstanding students, Aditya Trivedi, A. Shraddha and Esha Shukla. Aditya Trivedi has done a hat-trick, scoring impeccable hundreds in mathematics, chemistry and PE, while A. Shraddha has shown her total command over chemistry and PE with hundreds in both. With 100 in CS, Esha Shukla has distinguished her name among meritorious scholars. Merit needs no promotion. It writes its own success story. The record-breaking result of class 10 students speaks volumes of it. Writing his name in golden letters in the annals of DPS Vindhyanagar is Ramiz Faraz, who has topped class 10 with an astounding score of 99%. Picturing another perfection in academics, Akshara has scored a brilliant 98.4%. Tanvi Ajay Shahane and Harshita Kumar have both come at third place with a superb 97.4%. Resonating brilliance are 52 students out of 155 who have crossed the threshold of 90% and recorded their academic prowess in class 10. The paramount importance to quality education at DPS Vindhyanagar has echoed into 60 students, making it into the second highest bracket, that is 80% and above.
For the first time in the history of DPS Vindhyanagar, not 1 or 2 but 14 students scored 100 marks in Sanskrit, and recognizing their efforts is the Sanskrit Nishtha Puraskar, a scholarship for the students with 100% score in Sanskrit. A wonderful initiative by Srimati Mridula Jaiswal, ex-Sanskrit teacher, DPS Vindhyanagar. The Herculean feat of scoring perfect 100 is also achieved in social studies by 7 students, and in maths by 2 students, and in information technology by 1 student. 0.1% students of all CBSE schools around the world get this magnificent merit certificate, and we are privileged to have 3 in Sanskrit and 1 in mathematics. Let's take a peep at the students who distinguished themselves with a 90% and above score in the session 2019-20. School honors these children with a scholar tie, and proudly we say that we had 37 number of scholar tie awardees. Not only in boards but in professional exams too, websites have proved their mettle. Here is our proud mentor, our Honorable Principal Dr. Janardhan Pandey, captured in a click showcasing outstanding professional achievements at a glance. 8 ultra-brilliant minds of 2019-20 batch have cracked IIT JEE, one of the toughest of all competitions. Hard work of 19 students saw them through common medical entrance exam of NEET. Other professional exams like BITSAT and CLAT also saw good numbers of qualifiers.
DPS Vindhyanagar has always been a force to reckon with, whether it be scholastic, co-scholastic, literary or cultural, at both national and international levels. Leading by example is the best educator and a visionary. Our erudite principal, Dr. Janardhan Pandey, has been felicitated with the honor of the best principal in the district by the Science Olympiad Foundation. Emerging as the brand ambassador of DPS Vindhyanagar, Ishan Snehi of Class 5 has won the coveted Academic Excellence Scholarship, sponsored by the Science Olympiad Foundation. Now, we have the slides representing the second level international and national achievers from SOF. First off, we have 11 students who have made the mark in the International General Knowledge Olympiads. Now, we have 17 students who have achieved super high scores in the International English Olympiad. It was a remarkable feat when most of the 33 students came out with gold medals in the National Science Olympiad. It was another astounding feat when 34 students made the school proud in the International Mathematics Olympiad. Making it to the national level of the Unified Council Olympiads are 6 of our studious dipsites. Indian culture and tradition reigns high in the minds and hearts of our dipsite. 7 students have achieved state-level ranks at the National Sanskrit Olympiad, with Shruti Mishra achieving the 3rd rank at the national level. Featuring the best schools across the country, the DPS Cayman saw Abhisar Singh secure the 2nd rank in international press as a reporter. Mridul Tiwari secured a special mention in the Corpus Committee, and Jitasha Parihar secured a special mention in UNWTO. In the disputandum featuring national and international schools, Abhisar Singh secured the 3rd rank while representing Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Mridul Tiwari got a special mention as part of the UN General Assembly Committee.
Cracking one of the toughest of all competitions, NTSC are 2 brilliant minds, Ramesh Faraz and Harshita Kumar. The prestigious 27th National Children's Science Congress had 2 representation from MP of our school, Rishabh Jain and Sudhanshu Mishra. Our students were also felicitated by Honorable Vice President Shri Venkaiah Naidu. The prolific performance of Prajit Seth, 1st position in storytelling competition, Alankrita Tripathi, 3rd position in Abhinay Ka Rangmanch, and Shrijita Bhattacharya, 3rd position in Pointer Count Point debate competition, has made us all proud at inter-school competitions held at GD Goenka Public School, Ghaziabad. The literary prowess of 2 very young girls, Anshika Singh of 9C and Bhavya Jha of 9D, has seen a publication in the form of novel named Elysian: A Run to Truth. Feba Wilson's calibrated efforts and brilliant mind won her the 1st prize in the Navodaya Mission Quiz competition. 7 children were felicitated for their outstanding performance at essay writing competition on the occasion of National Safety Day. In the Inter-DPS Open Mic competition Pen Vibe Season 3, Srishti Singh of Class 8 spread the fragrance of poetry and bagged the 1st prize amongst the participants from 30 schools. Quiz Prabhanshu Mishra made it among the top of various quiz competitions, be it MP Amazing Quiz, National Ayurvedic Quiz Contest organized by NCERT, or be it 1st ever Heritage Olympiad. Child prodigy Om Jaiswal of Class 5 stood 88th national rank in Mind War Quiz and also is a certified young warrior against COVID-19. Creative genius Sandeepni Nayak of Class 8 bagged consolation prize and a cash reward of 5,000 in Saksham National Painting Competition organized by Petroleum Conservation Research Association.
Now let's move to some stupendous achievers at state level. Applause for Swastika Chaubey of Class 8 for winning consolation prize at the Independence Day slogan writing competition conducted by MP government. Hanshu Mishra, Avadesh Mahapatra and Ayushman Singh have been district toppers of MP state level biodiversity quiz and second runners up at the state level. Budding artist Utkarsh Pandey has brought accolades by winning consolation prize in poster making contest conducted by Ram Krishna Sharad Mission Nivedita Vidya Mandir. Avisha Mishra of Class 5 bagged gold medal in prestigious Arnish Championship recognized by Olympic Council of Asia.
Showcasing his critical aptitude is the bright and proactive Akshit Kumar Singh of Class 7. His insight and brilliance paved the way to become the state topper of camp and bag the Critical Thinking Award.
There is a collage reflecting the rainbow of recognitions and felicitations.
It was an honor
to take you all on a short sojourn of
splendid achievements of DPS Vindhyanagar.
DPS Vindhyanagar is ambitious to get feathers
of merits from outside competitions too.
That was too marvelous. Now switch over to cultural section again.
गरजे गरजे आज मेघ घनन घनन चायुरी दमक दमक चमके बिजुरी कहत है ऋतुराज आयो कहत है ऋतुराज आयो कहत है ऋतुराज आयो री
संग रंगी हरित रंग में धरा, सब विहंग आज दंग देख रंग ये हरा। इस रुत में आज तू भी अंग अंग रंग ले, तार की झनकार छेड़ संग में मृदंग ले। घुमड़ घुमड़ काली घटा रौद्र रूप धर धर के, धरती का रोम रोम धड़के धड़के धड़के। गरज गरज आज मेघ घनन घनन चारुली, दमक दमक चमके बिजुरी। कहत हरि तुराज आयो, कहत हरि तुराज आयो, कहत हरि तुराज आयो रे।
We grow and craving for perfection also grows.
Yes, we do.
जय हो शंकरा, आदिदेव शंकरा। तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह। मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने, क्या बुरा है क्या भला। तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला। तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा।
Hey yo, big wave. Turn the mic on. Small time alongside JW.
My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ne. Start my truck, let's all jump in. Here we go together. Nice cool breeze and big palm trees. I tell you, life don't get no better. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ne.
Okay, your mama ngwele, step on the dancing floor. Hips be winding, DJ rewinding, take it to the island way. Okay, your baby mama, put on your dancing shoes. One drop it, pop it low now, take it to the max now. Jam in the small jam way, jam in the small jam way.
My bestie and your bestie dancing by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ne.
Let me take it from here. Solomon girl straight up, right hoochie mama. Make me party non-stop in a island banda. Swing those hips and back it up to me ragga. A chance for party ladies do the doggy doggy. I'm drumming island reggae, rapping blue, green and yellow. Me tapping on me beat, make a slow wine for me baby. Speakers pumping, people jumping. We drumming the island way.
Shout out to the good time crew all across the islands. Grab your shoes, let me 2x2, and now we're shining bright like diamonds. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ne.
Yes, one drop it low now. Take it to the max now. Jump in the small jam way.
There's been so many things that's held us down, but now it looks like things are finally coming around. I know we've got a long, long way to go, and where we'll end up, I don't know. But we won't let nothing hold us back. We're putting ourselves together. We're polishing up our act. And if you've ever been held down before, I know you refuse to be held down anymore. Well, don't you let love.
I'm here again with another cultural feast.
Academic and lot more.
And you know, this lot more makes us wholesome.
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा।
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया, तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया।
जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है, आहा यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है, आहा पाते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसका प्यार, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और यही।
That was too marvelous. If you want to be academic plus,
Step into the arena of co-curriculars.
That's how you can go dynamic and vibrant. And cultural celebration continues here.
We grow and craving for perfection also grows.
Yes, we do.
section goes on and never ends. That's wonderful. These toddlers have raised the bar of the show.
Belonging to the schoolhouse is the most coveted identity.
So highlights of house activities and trophies.
After celebrating the house success, here we move to another rewarding section.
Our dedicated teachers deserve the best.
Accolades to their unconditional services to DPS Vindhyanagar.
Namaskar, respected principal sir, staff members and my dearest students. Many congratulations to DPS Vindhyanagar on its 36th Foundation Day. I find myself fortunate to be associated with DPS Vindhyanagar. I am privileged that I spent more than 22 years with this prestigious institution and guided by three intellectual principals, Mohanty sir, Dr. Sharma sir and Dr. Janardhan Pandey sir. Thank you DPS Vindhyanagar. My sincere tribute to late Shri Ellen Sharan sir. May the pure soul rest in peace. In 2020-21 session, in board examination, my school performed extremely well. I wish in future also it achieve more and more laurel and produce good citizens of India. I love my school so much. 2 lines to all. प्रेक्ष में विषय कदातु प्रेक्ष में विषय बिना त्वां प्रेमिणस्य का दुर्दशा ईक्ष में हृदयं नवामि प्रेक्ष सामर्थ्यं दिनम् एवं विनापि त्वां वर्षं शतम् निर्णयो मे निश्चित त्वं भवितासि मम यावन्ती दूरी भवेत् पर्याप्तिति एषा दूरी पर्याप्तिति खैरियत पूछो कभी तो कैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिना दीवानी का क्या हाल है.
Hats off to all my teachers. Coming closer to the end of the program, here comes Trambika Didi.
It's my honor to invite Jose ma'am, the headmistress, to propose vote of thanks.
Greetings of the day to one and all. Most distinguished guests, honored dignitaries, distinct galaxy of the erudite, notaries of quality education, parents and well-wishers. Dear listeners, I extend a warm and cordial note of gratitude for your esteemed presence here today, marking this auspicious occasion a very significant one, the virtual celebration of the 36th Annual Come Foundation Day of DPS Vindhyanagar on 7th August. We salute the cooperation and support received from NTPC Vindhyachal and the DPS Society, New Delhi alike. Dipsites are fortunate to have had educational privileges. We resound the gratitude and encouragement extended. DPS Vindhyanagar serves to awaken the 4 dimensions of the young learner's persona: the mind, body, heart, and spirit. Dipsites enjoy their school, spirited, joyful, and curious, and create benchmarks of excellence as they whiz past their sojourn at their alma mater. This year, the CBSE result was the phenomenal, record-breaking 98% of the science stream of class 11. We wish and pray for a safe and sound year ahead. DPS Vindhyanagar is proud to have Shri V. Keshumlu, Chairman, the DPS Society, New Delhi, as the most esteemed guest. We thank you, sir. Dipsites of Vindhyanagar is very delighted to have the Chairman, DPS Vindhyanagar, Shri Ravi Veera Gupta, with us today. We are grateful for your honorable presence, sir. This institution thanks the Pro Vice Chairman, Shri Monish Jari, Executive Director, NTPC Vindhyachal. We acknowledge the contribution of all the HODs and various departments of NTPC Vindhyachal. We thank the entire staff, students, and the principal, Dr. J. Pandey, for the insightful leadership. We hope to continue with the enriched tapestry, weaving the warp and weft with golden threads of excellence. Thank you. Jai Hind.
It's time to honor our country. I request you all to stand up for national anthem.